Good morning. I have just finished a quick run in the woods on the dog walk. It's very beautiful and very noisy with the birds chirping today. Just a quick one from me to say, let's embrace May together. Let's have a meaningful May. There is so much bursting into life with new spring. Embrace and connect with nature this month. Connect with yourself and journal as much as you can and get it all out there. Connect with others and outwardly and inwardly reflect on gratitude. It really helps us to take mindful actions and use those tools to help us and to help others. And embrace May and all that spring has to offer in seasonal produce. Artichokes and peas and asparagus and beetroot and carrots and lettuce and spinach and rocket, and there's so many things to enjoy. So just embrace it. Together I'll take you along with me, but I invite you to meaningfully embrace May. And I'm off to have a fantastic May bank holiday, and I hope you do too. See you later.